These Mocha Hazelnut Muffins rise into beautifully domed chocolatey treats with a soft, fluffy crumb, rich dark chocolate pockets, and crunchy toasted hazelnuts. They are naturally sweetened and completely plant-based. Today I'll show you how to make them. In the dry mix, I'm using whole wheat flour for extra fiber and nutrients, cocoa powder for a rich chocolate flavor, baking powder and baking soda for a light, fluffy rise, and salt to enhance both the chocolate and the coffee. Mix everything together until well combined. For the wet mix, I'm adding soy milk and lemon juice to create a simple plant-based buttermilk, which helps keep the muffins soft and tender. Medjool dates for natural sweetness, strong coffee for the subtle mocha flavor, sunflower oil for moisture, vanilla extract or vanilla bean for a warm flavor, and finally the curdled buttermilk. Blend everything until completely smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix until combined. Then fold in chopped toasted hazelnuts. I'm also adding 100% dark chocolate using both larger and smaller chunks for little pockets of melted chocolate throughout the muffins. Divide the batter evenly between the muffin cups and sprinkle on top roughly chopped hazelnuts and a few extra chocolate pieces. Bake for about 25 minutes until beautifully risen and fragrant. Then use a spoon to gently loosen the edges before lifting them out. Transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely, then enjoy. You'll get a soft chocolate crumb, little pockets of dark chocolate, and crunchy hazelnuts in every bite. Bon appetit!